If you're in the market for an inexpensive party speaker, which sounds really good, I have something for you. Sharp Party System. I did an extensive research. I've been in many stores, huge stores, at least in my city. And this one sounds the best. $100, exactly $100. It's like 2 or 3 times less expensive than other brands. LG, Samsung, JBL. What can I say? Let's open it. Oh. Okay. Wow. Wait a minute, let me spell it. Smells like a party. Okay, at the very top, we have a screen, volume knob, super bass, mic gain volume knob. Well, it's upside down, let me just. Mode, echo, light, Bluetooth pairing, and move forward. There's a nice hinge. What's on the back? Wow. 2 USB, mic in, GT in, aux in, power, and power switch. Bass reflex. Ooh. Hello, a lot of echoes. Echo, why we have so much echo here? I tried different modes and that didn't work. Nothing works. A lot of echoes, but it's very loud. But echoes. How can I deal with those echoes? That is the question. Why it's making artificial echo? Conclusion, maybe it doesn't have those fancy lights like in JBL and Samsung, but it is 3 times less expensive. Volume, well, it all depends what do you connect to it. I've connected Xiaomi 12T Pro, and the volume was low, and I was surprised. Then I thought it's broken or something, but then I change it for a Galaxy S21, and I've got twice more volume. So, bear in mind, this could be a factor. Microphone, strange echoes. Why? Artificial echoes, what's the deal? Anyway, it is really good. But that's just the first impression. In time, I will make a full review, well, in 7 days or so. So there you go. Feels really steady. Is it waterproof? Probably not. Maybe splash proof. Yeah, this could be. Well, so there it is. For $100, I think it's decent equipment. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.